It's been a really, really messed up week. Some days torture, some days better. La la la, la la la.
Hi guys, my name is Adele. Today I would like to talk about a very important topic that deeply influences the future of our society. This is about moral and character education, but in here I'm gonna make it more specifically by talking in the stage of early learning. This video proposed to accomplish my academic speaking assignment in the English education program. Before we go further, let's first understand what we mean by moral and character. According to Piaget, moral development is the process through which children develop proper attitudes and behaviors toward other people in society, based on social and cultural norms. Meanwhile, Kohlberg defines morality as a system of beliefs about what is right and wrong, guiding one's actions. On the other hand, Licona defines character as the combination of knowledge, attitudes, and behavior patterns that enable individuals to make ethical decisions, care about others, and act responsibly. So, in simple terms, moral guide our sense of right and wrong, while character includes the traits that shape how we behave in everyday life, like honesty, respect, and responsibility. In a world that is rapidly changing, full of challenges and distraction, it becomes more important than ever to shape the moral compass of the children from a young age. But how can we do this effectively in early childhood education? Moral and character education refers to the process of teaching children about values such as honesty, kindness, responsibility, respect, empathy, and fairness. These values are not only important for becoming a good person, but are so crucial for building a strong, peaceful, and cooperative society. Early childhood is a critical stage in human development. Research in psychology and education show that children begin to form their understanding of right and wrong as early as age 3. This is why early learning environments such as kindergarten or playgroups are a powerful platform for shaping moral values. So, why is moral and character education important in early learning? First, it helps children develop a strong foundation for lifelong behavior. For example, when a child learns to say thank you or sorry at a young age, they are practicing empathy and accountability. Second, it improves the learning environment. A classroom filled with respect and kindness is more productive and harmonious. And third, it helps reduce negative behavior. Children who are taught to manage their emotions, show respect, and make good choices are less likely to engage in bullying, lying, or cheating. Now, let's talk about how moral and character education can be implemented in early learning settings. First, modeling behavior. Children learn by observing adults. We all know that children are the best observer. Teachers and parents must act as role models. If we want children to be respectful, we must show them what respect looks like in action. Second, storytelling and role-play. Using stories with moral lesson or role-playing situation help children explore real-life scenarios and learn how to respond appropriately. 3. Consistent routines and rules. Simple rules like waiting your turn, cleaning up after play, or helping friends will build their responsibility and discipline. Fourth, positive reinforcement. When children show kindness or honesty to their friends, praising them reinforces good behavior. 5. Collaborative activities. A group games or class project will teach teamwork, fairness, and their cooperation with their friends. And then the last one, 6. Reflective conversation. Encourage children to talk about their feelings or decisions. Ask questions like, How do you think your friend felt when that happened? This conversation will build their empathy and let them answer by their own language. Of course, there are challenges. Some teachers may not have training in moral education, and some children may come from home environments that do not reinforce positive values. To overcome this, school must provide teachers with proper guidance and tools. Parents should be also invited to participate in their children's character development by being consistent at home. Collaboration between home and school is a key. Additionally, character education should not be treated as a one-time lesson. It should be integrated into daily activities. It's not about extracurricular or something. It's about an important lesson across all subjects and routines. And then the last, to conclude, moral and character education in early learning is not just an extra activity or extracurricular. It's the heart of quality education. By helping children build strong values from an early age, we are preparing them not to just pass exams, but to live meaningful lives, make ethical choices, and become kind, responsible members of society.